Have you looked out the window? Have you peeked at the sky? Are you trying to guess the weather? Well, don't even try. There's just one man who can decide. Who else but the weatherman?
And here's the latest weather report. Sunshine and warmer.
And yes, sunny and warm will be the forecast. In fact, the forecast looks sunny and hot as we go through at least this week, probably into next week as well. Good Monday, everyone. Rick Mitchell with you, taking a look at hardcore weather for this Monday, August 3rd. I was up late last night, had some storms roll in. Take a look at this. Captured what started out as video, but I ended up just turning it into still pictures of the lightning facing west out of my upstairs window. It was about 3 o'clock this morning, and I'm such a weather dweeb that I went outside and shot some video this morning of the clouds, altocumulus castellanus clouds. These are mid-level clouds. They have some vertical build to them. They represent some instability in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, not so much here at the ground, but in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. And last night's storms were elevated, and some of the clouds left over were mid-level as well. So there you go. How about rain? Well, most areas, Metro saw a little bit, less than 1/4 of an inch, but Minco had 1.7 inches, Washington 1.3, Kingfisher over 1.5 inches. So there's some gully washers, and had some wind overnight as well. Minco had a 54-mile-per-hour wind gust, 44 winds in Woodward and in Kingfisher. Now, severe weather risk today is going to stay pretty far north, so not necessarily looking at any risk around here. 500 millibar flow, still showing the trough up across the northern plains and northeast. It is weakening, and as you'll see here on the GFS, we're going to replace that trough with a fairly stout ridge of high pressure. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Trough begins to retreat back to the northeast. The ridge over New Mexico continues to build. There's 12Z Wednesday, there's 12Z Thursday, and the ridge taking over the southern plains. That means hot weather for us. Looking out to Friday, nice trough in the west, but that's going to stay out there. The ridge really exerts itself over the southeastern United States. There's Sunday morning. Now let's do something crazy. Let's jump way out to the mid part of August, and you see that we still have the ridge in place. So what that means is we could easily be seeing hot weather for, mainly dry weather, hot and dry weather for the first half of this month of August, perhaps even longer than that. That's not all that crazy. That's pretty typical for this time of year. All right, kind of a quick hardcore weather today. I'm running behind. Got to get into the station. I'll have new information to look at, so make sure you tune into Eyewitness News 5 tonight at 5, 6, and 10 p.m. Thanks for watching Hardcore Weather. Take care. We'll see you later.